Hello everyone guys, I am Arindam and I am back today for another video tutorial, and today we have the Samsung Galaxy Core with us and it is running Android Jelly Bean. So we will guide you to update this device with a new updated software, that is Android Lolicop, and we'll be showing you each and every detailed procedure about how to do it. Just check the model number, it's GT-I8262 and running Android version 4.1.2. This is Android Jelly Bean. So we'll try to update to Android Lolicop. So there are some prerequisites for updating to Android Lolicop. Let's check them out. First of all, you need the Samsung USB drivers for phone to be installed at the root directory of your PC. In general cases, it is the C drive or the Windows installation folder drive. It is recommended to be installed in that folder only. Second is you need the software called Odin. This software installs custom recoveries and also does many customizations for the phones. So you'll need that, and clockwork mode recovery or TeamWin recovery project recovery image will be required to flash the custom ROM, and also will require the LolliCop Rom, which will flash in this device to be placed inside the phone SD card. So I will recommend it to put inside the SD card and not the phone storage in such cases, because sometimes the installation may screw up and so then you won't be able to recover your image. That's why the SD card is the safest location to put it. Also, you should charge your phone to at least 80% or at least 90% and above. I will recommend a full charge because that process takes long time, and if the phone power gets very low, then it may shut down and then you won't be able to flash it properly and you may break your device. See, the charge is 100%. I have done it. So we'll start it in this condition only. And also, yes, you will need some patience because it is a lengthy process and we'll do it step by step. So without further ado guys, let's start the procedure. So first of all, we'll open Odin. Let's go to the Odin folder where it is placed. You can see the Odin 3v3.04.exe. We will open that. You may want to open with an administrator privilege. It will be better. Yes. And so the Odin software has been opened. Now we'll restart the phone to the download mode. Let's restart the phone. First, power down. Okay. Now that the phone is powered down, you will have to enter the download mode. You can do so by pressing the power button plus home button and also the volume down button. Mind it, it's the volume down button, not the up button. Some people confuses it. So let's start. And also I will recommend to open the back cover, because after flashing the custom recovery, when the phone will reboot itself, it will try to flash the stock recovery again. So before that only we will remove the battery so that the phone does not install stock recovery again and falls in a boot loop. Okay, so let's start the process. I will try to show you how to enter the download mode. First, the home button. I am filming at the same time, that's why it's some difficult for me to show you. I will try my best. and the phone vibrates and the screen glows, leave it. So see, this is the download mode. An error is showing. Custom OS can cause critical problems. You can continue by pressing the volume up. I am pressing the volume up button. I want to continue. Okay, now the phone is in download mode. We can start the installation process of the custom recovery. Before that, I am reminding you again, guys, you will have to install the Samsung USB drivers to your PC first, then open Odin. I have done that step, so I will be skipping it. So now in this Odin I will connect the USB cable to the phone. Then there is an ID com, you can see it. This ID com will turn blue when the phone is connected. I am connecting it. Now that I have connected the USB cable, see that the ID com is turned blue and it is writing 0.4. This should be written, because if this is not written, the installation won't be continued in the phone, and also the phone will not be established connection with the PC. This is a very important step, and to show this you must install the Samsung USB drivers first. So now to install the custom recovery, I will select the PDA and browse to the recovery folder. Here it is in my download folder, recovery.tar, and I will press OK. Open. So now I will press the start button to start the process. It may take some time, and it will write pass on top after it is finished. So this is done doing it. It will take some time, guys. We will have to have some patience. And see, in the phone also, the phone is rebooting itself. I am removing the back cover. And also it's writing that it's passed. That means custom recovery is installed as far as it is concerned right now. We will check it later on. Now let's remove the USB cable, sorry. So I am rebooting the phone again after installing the custom recovery. So see, the custom recovery installation didn't do any harm to the device. As of now, the device functions well. Everything is functioning well. The buttons also function. Everything functions. So now we'll advance to the installation of the Lollipop ROM. For this we'll have to reboot to recovery again. We'll do that. First, power off the device. So now we have rebooted to the clockwork mode recovery using the same option by pressing the power and also the home button and also the volume up button. Now we will have to first wipe the data factory reset, and then wipe cache partition, and finally wipe Delphi cache before installing the ROM. So we will proceed it. First let us wipe the data factory reset. It says wipe all user data. It's formatting data and formatting cache. See, formatting is complete, data wipe is complete. Now we will format or wipe the cache partition. Let's proceed it. Wipe cache. Wiping and formatting cache. Cache wipe complete. Now we'll go to advanced and then VaibhaV cache. Here this is the VaibhaV cache. This is the touch version of the clockwork mod, and hence this screen size is big, that's why it's cutting out, it's not fitting. In other devices for non-touch clockwork mod it will not occur. Be sure of it guys, and please install the clockwork mod for your device only, so that this problem doesn't occur. I am just showing it because this clockwork mod was there in my computer and I am showing it right now. So let's VaibhaV cache. It says VaibhaV cache. No, yes, we'll confirm it. Yes, Dalvik cache wiped. So now we'll go back and install zip, and since I have placed the LolliCop Rom on my external SD card, I will choose zip from external SD card. Choose zip from external SD card and see the Android Lolicop Rom for i8262. So I will choose it. It is confirming, says yes, install Lolicop Rom or no. I will choose yes. So the installation is starting. The Lolicop Rom has been transported from the KTrans ROM and has been contributed by XDA developer VaibhaV. So I want to thank him for contributing this ROM. Now the system is installing Android Lolicop 5.0 ROM system files. So we'll have to have patience over here. It will take some guys, it will take some time, so we'll come back after the installation is complete. So the installation was complete and we are back. See, install from SD card complete. System installation is also complete. Lollipop update completed. Enjoy. So we will now restart the device and see whether the Lollipop ROM has been really installed or not. So we'll go back and then we'll choose reboot system. Now it's rebooting. The first reboot may take a long time. That's usual guys, because the system is starting for the first time. It will prepare its files, and also there will be an yellow triangle over here. So that's normal, that's okay, because you have installed a custom ROM, that's why it will be shown like this. See, the stock boot image has been replaced by these colorful rotating circles. It will show for some time. Guys, at the boot time, just below the Samsung logo, there will be an yellow triangle exclamation mark. I am telling that mark is absolutely normal, so nothing to fear about it. That's an indication that you have installed custom ROM and custom recovery. So let's wait for the ROM to finish and boot. It may take up to 10 minutes, I don't know. And yes, see, it's saying Android. So we'll choose our language. choose English, United States. It says Samsung Galaxy, welcome. Next. No SIM card. Next. So it says to connect to Wi-Fi network and set up Wi-Fi. I will skip this step. You can do it if you want. Select time zone. I will select the time zone. It's GMT plus 5:30 for me in Kolkata. I hope you can see, guys. So I'll select it and then click next. Samsung account, if you have a Samsung account, you can sign in. I am skipping it this step now. Do you have a Google account? I'll do it later on. You can add it. Make it Google. So it is asking for an account, for a Google account. I'll do it later on. Okay. Finish. Welcome. It says welcome, make yourself at home, and yes, voila, we have installed the LolliCop Rom on our device successfully, and the process took about 10 minutes, so it's less than 30 minutes, much less. Let's click OK and experience the ROM. Okay, so here is the ROM. Let's check it out. This is a 5x5 grid, so you will have all your menus in one page only, no need to swipe. So let's check the settings. See, the menu also have changed. The stock menu is not like this on the Jelly Bean. So let's go to about device. Model number is i8262, Android version C 5.0, Android version. Lollipop. So it's very smooth. This ROM is really smooth, and also if you install this ROM, you will get your device automatically rooted, because the super user APK which is used for rooting is already pre-installed with this ROM. See, here is the super user, so you can open and grant access to all the apps which need super user access. So let's go back. So the menu also changed. See, here are the options, different options. Also there is a Samsung writing on the bottom, which was not there. There are lots of optimizations also, so you can add wallpapers, widgets. So these are the widgets and wallpapers. lollipop wallpapers. I'm giving you the preview of the lollipop ROM. Say wallpaper. So this ROM is very much smooth, very much smooth. The camera interface. It's simple camera interface, but it's good. So once again, thanks. If you find this video very useful, please hit the like button and also subscribe to me down below, and also you can leave the user comments for if you face any issue or you want to post any updates about it. I will update it as soon as possible. So thank you guys, have a nice day.